Ready.
Okay, with the Olympics just a few hours away, we are embracing all things French, including, of course, the food. So this morning in Today Food, today nutrition and health expert Joy Bauer is putting her spin on a traditional French salad. What makes it a French salad, Joy?
Well, this is sort of a classic salad niçoise, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it into a sheet pan salmon salad niçoise, and I think you guys are going to really love it. Yeah. Easy prep, easy cleanup, and this is action-packed with nutrition. So we're starting with some classics. So these little baby potatoes.
I love baby potato.
Me too, because they but faster, and also because they are loaded with complex carbohydrates and potassium.
I do feel bad they don't make it to adults.
But you can also do the same thing with sweet potatoes or with regular white potatoes. You just got to cut them in smaller pieces because we want them to cook up fast. Zhuzh them in some olive oil. I'll put a little bit of olive oil over the top, a little bit of salt and pepper. I'm going to come over here. Now, this is going to go in the oven at 400 for 15 minutes. And we start with the potatoes because they're going to take the longest to cook.
Oh, you do that by themselves first?
Yes. And so what I've done here is visually, you want to divide the sheet pan into 3 sections. This is the first, then we've got a middle, and we have a third.
Okay.
So when we come over here, this is the finish, because when the potatoes came out of the oven, we did a rinse and repeat, the same exact routine with our green beans and our cherry tomatoes, and they pucker and they get juicy and caramelized.
Green beans and tomatoes at the same time, or green beans cook, tomatoes cook?
So the potatoes go in first for 15 minutes. They come out. You load both then, the green beans and the tomatoes, and then back in the oven for 15 minutes. And I think the hardest part is not eating everything off the tray. I know.
I've been eating off the tray almost.
Now your salmon.
So now instead of tuna, I'm using salmon because first it tends to be a little bit more budget friendly, but also because it's got more omega-3 heart-healthy fats, and it's got vitamin D for bone
Those
strengthening.
are some good-looking salmon.
I know.
The salmon is gorgeous.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
And so now we are going to put in, I'll put a little bit of olive oil over this. Here you go.
You're just nestling that in.
Yes.
Oh,
we love nestling.
We love nestling.
Love the nestle.
And a little bit of salt and pepper.
Craig and I are going to be nestling during the Olympics.
So just a little, what else?
That's it.
No,
and
just salt on the salmon, that's it?
Yep, salt and pepper and a little bit of olive oil. Back in the oven, again, at 400. Now, depending on how you like your salmon, I will generally put it in for 10 to 12 minutes.
Okay.
But if you like it a little bit more well done, you can leave it in for a little bit longer. You could even finish it under the broiler.
Right.
But while it's cooking, we're going to make the dressing.
Okay.
I like a good mason jar dressing.
Me too. So this one is a honey Dijon vinaigrette. So simple. Extra virgin olive oil, a little white wine vinegar, but you could use any vinegar that you like. Apple cider, champagne, a little Dijon for a kick. If anybody doesn't like the kick of Dijon, I would say sub in brown mustard, ground mustard, yellow mustard. That's a little bit of honey. Some garlic. Whoop, the garlic's stuck. And you put the mason jar lid on. You give it a shake, and look what it looks like.
Shake, shake, shake.
It's going to emulsify.
Shake your dressing.
Shake your dressing. And now we're going to build. So here's our leafy greens. One thing to point out, you could build your salad when everything is warm out of the oven, or here it goes, or you could cover the sheet pan, put it in the fridge, let it chill,
that's what I would do.
and then you could go ahead and have more of sort of that classic colder salad. So first we have our salmon. I'm going to put a bunch of potatoes on. We're going to add a bunch of green beans over here.
Joy.
Isn't it delicious?
This is delicious.
Then we have our roasted cherry tomatoes. And because usually this type of salad does have hard-boiled eggs, I love to put some slices down here. And I bring it over the top with fiber by adding artichoke hearts and some olives.
Do you just buy them? Like you don't...
I buy either the canned or the frozen artichoke hearts.
Really?
And that's what I use, yes.
So good.
Yes, and a little bit of olives. And I'm just going to give it a pour with this dressing.
That dressing is delicious.
It's a great go-to dressing,
You use this on anything.
And
how long will that dressing last?
so the dressing will last in the fridge for, I would say, up to 5 days. And something to know, when you put it in the fridge, it will solidify a little bit. But don't worry, because you put it right on the counter. It'll warm up. Yeah, it'll be smooth. Give it a shake, and you're ready to go. This would be my portion.
So healthy.
Really,
It's almost like a bowl.
It is like a bowl.
Yeah.
And again, you could have it warm, you could have it chilled.
Put some
There's a
quinoa in there.
lot of versatility.
Thank you, Joy.
Fantastic.
Delicious.
Got it.
I will
I
see you
see
back
that.
here on Friday. You can save your favorite recipes from the show with a free Today account. To do that, just scan the QR code below or today.com to get this recipe and to access that free account.